Is it the right time to make a decision on Nikola stock? Let's explore this together as we take a deep dive into the company. Our initial report was released on our website on Thursday, October 26, 2023, and now we're back with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to stay updated on our latest analysis by subscribing, hitting the like button, and turning on the notification bell. It's crucial to stay informed about any updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Discover the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 12, 2023, our system has determined that Nikola is a strong sell candidate with a score of -5.46. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a significant loss of -17.32%. This means that, on average, it has been losing -1.57% per day since being identified as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a wide and declining trend in the short term, indicating a potential further drop. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected -37.09% change in the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -85.54% to 31.77%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a -33.89% change over the next year, with a potential return between -100% and 90.69%. This means the stock's price could range from $0 to $2 after 1 year. Our latest update on Nikola's stock price reveals that it ended at $1.05 on Thursday after a 5% gain. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, Nikola's stock price increased by 5%, starting at $1 and ending at $1.05. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 9%, reaching a low of $1 and a high of $1.09. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 instances, resulting in a decrease of -17.32%. The trading volume decreased by 26 million shares on the last day, with a total of 37 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $38.97 million. It's important to note that a decrease in volume despite higher prices can indicate a potential divergence and should be considered as an early warning for possible changes in the coming days. In the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price for Nikola was $3.97, while the lowest was $0.521. Currently, the price is 73.55%, or $2.92, below the 52-week high and 98.88%, or $92.94, below the all-time high on June 9, 2020, when the price reached $93.99. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, September 14, 2022, B. Riley gave NKLA a buy grade with an initialize action. On the same day, RBC Capital gave NKLA an outperform grade with an initialize action. Cowen & Company also gave NKLA an overweight grade with an initialize action. Furthermore, Raymond James gave NKLA a strong buy grade with an initialize action. Lastly, Loop Capital Markets rated NKLA as a buy with an initialize action. Analysts have given Nikola stock a general rating of neutral. They strongly recommend buying the stock based on its PE ratio and price to book. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts suggest selling the stock. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Nikola stock. Today, the stock shows mixed signals. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal, but the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is higher than the short-term average, the overall forecast for the stock is negative. If the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $1.26. On the other hand, if it falls, there will be some support from the short-term average at $1.02. Breaking above the long-term average will trigger a buy signal, while falling below the short-term average will strengthen the sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. On Monday, October 23, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point for Nikola stock, resulting in a 9.99% increase so far. The rise is expected to continue until a new top pivot is identified. However, it's important to note that the volume decreased during the last trading day despite the price increase. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advisable to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is indicating a sell signal. The pivot signal showed a buy signal 4 days ago. According to the Bollinger signal, a buy signal was observed 171 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 2 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 8 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average signaled a sell 13 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 33 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Nikola. Nikola's support lies at $1.04, and this level presents a potential buying opportunity. When the support is tested, we can expect an upward reaction in the stock price. However, it's important to note that this stock is considered very high risk due to its high volatility. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for this stock. Over the past day, Nikola's stock price has fluctuated by $0.0900 or 9% between its highest and lowest points. This shows the significant volatility of the stock. Looking at the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 11.11%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Nikola, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative P/E ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to go through tough times, often due to factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently has a negative P/E ratio, it could be a sign of insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q3 2023 is expected to be released on November 2, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report currently stand at $0.150. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, let's analyze the potential day trading levels for Nikola. If there is an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nikola stands at $1.15. If you're not yet invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Nikola faces its first support level at $1.04. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Nikola has received a neutral average rating. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On October 9, 2023, Sean Mary S. made an insider purchase of 0 shares. On September 25, 2023, Capello Joseph S. made an insider purchase of 0 shares. On September 6, 2023, Pasteric Anastasia conducted an insider sale of 6,709 shares of common stock. On August 29, 2023, Vesco John C. made an insider purchase of 0 shares. On August 10, 2023, Mendez Carey conducted an insider sale of 3,717 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -24.554. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,447,081 shares and sold 4,735,497 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this particular stock, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Nikola stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, Nikola currently displays several negative signals, indicating weak performance in the near future. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Nikola is overvalued. For trading on Friday, October 27th, we anticipate Nikola to open with a decline of $0.0033 and begin trading at $1.05. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please do not solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By accessing and using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with an in-depth analysis of the stock market. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.